Good morning, sunshine. Join me for a little bit of movement to get our bodies and minds gently energized for the day. Let's begin in a comfortable seated posture. I am sitting on a bolster just to get a little extra height underneath my hips for comfort. You could also do this full sequence seated in a chair if that feels better in your body. So take a moment to get nice and comfy. Rest your hands onto your legs. Close your eyes and take a moment just to let yourself sink and settle in. Tuning into your body, mind, and heart this morning. Hello, sweetheart. How are ya? And let's take 3 deep, slow breaths to begin. As you breathe in, feel that 360-degree movement of your breath, gently expanding out in all directions. And as you breathe out through your nose or your mouth, gently draw your navel back in towards the spine, lovingly emptying all of that old air from the very base of your lungs. Again, breathing deeply, slowly in. And long, slow breath out, drawing the navel to the spine. One more breath, breathing into this moment. And as you exhale, lovingly letting go of anything that is not of this moment. Beautiful. Blinking your eyes open now. Bring your fingertips down to the floor beside you and let's drop the chin to the chest. And just slowly roll your head a little side to side, moving it out any, just little sticky parts of the neck, any weird sleeps of the night. And as your head rolls back to center, pause there with chin to the chest. Now on your next inhale, begin to sweep the arms out and up, lifting your gaze towards the hands. And exhale, sweep the arms all the way back down, taking your gaze towards your heart. Again, breathing in and up. And exhaling out and down. And last time in. And exhale. Now bringing the arms all the way back up overhead. This time, press your palms together and lower them down in front of your heart. Interlace your fingers and just notice which thumb is on top. We'll be changing the interlace of our fingers the second round through so that your other thumb is on top. So we're just weaving in a little body-brain balance this morning. So let's come back to that original interlace of your fingers. From here, feel that 360-degree movement of your breath again, just your whole body gently opening, expanding this morning. And then as you exhale, press your palms forward, tuck and round through your back. Let's do that one more time with your inhale, bringing the hands into the heart. And exhale, stretch out through your wrists, tuck and round through your back. On your next inhale, lift your arms to the sky, pause. Exhale, side bend right. Breathing in up through center, and exhale, side bend left. Inhale up through center, pause, turn your palms to face each other, and on your next exhale, draw the elbows back and down as you lift open through the front of your body. Continue reaching your fingertips all the way to the floor as you lower chin to your chest. And then inhale, sweep the arms all the way out and up. And exhale, press the palms together, coming home to your heart. Interlace your fingers the other direction now. Breathing in. Exhale, press the palms forward as you tuck and round through your back. Let's do that one more time. Inhaling, hands to heart. And exhale, stretching out through the arms, making that nice C curve of your back. On your next inhale, reach for the sky. Pause. This time, exhale, side bend left. Inhale up. Exhale, side bend right. Inhale up. Separate the hands, and as you exhale, draw the elbows back and down. Open up through the chest and shoulders. Continue reaching your fingertips to the floor, chin to your chest. Breathing in, sweep the arms all the way up overhead. Press the palms together, and as you exhale, come home to your heart. Let's pause for one full breath here. Beautiful. Bringing your hands down to your legs. Now notice which leg is crossed in front. Remember that. And stretch them out for a moment. And let's cross them the other direction. So bringing a little bit more whole body balance here, especially into our hips. All right. From this position, we're going to take a little twist to our right. So this left hand can come across to your right knee. Sometimes it feels better to keep it on the left. So just check in with where you are in your body today. So finding a gentle spiral up and around. And from here, unwind out of your twist. Drop your chin into your chest. And as you inhale, come back up into that twist. Exhale, gently unwind out of that a little bit. One more time. Inhale, spiraling up and around into your twist. Exhale, gently unwind. And then inhale, coming back into your twist. We'll stay there this time. Long, slow breath just to drop into your center. Now from here, let's sweep that right arm up alongside your ear. Grow a little bit taller up that side of your body and side bend over to the left. And then from here, inhale, reaching up to the sky, pause. Exhale, side bend left. Once more, inhale, reaching up. Exhale, over, pause. Inhale, reaching for the sky. Let's exhale, complete that twist, bringing the fingertips behind you. And as you inhale, gently unwind back to center. Have a little wiggle there in your body. All right, coming to the other side. So twisting to your left, finding that gentle spiral up and around, gazing over your back shoulder. Breathing in. And as you exhale, just unwind a little bit, soften the chest, soften the chin forward, and then inhale, feel that spiral coming up, opening through the front of the body. Exhale, gently unwind. Inhale, spiraling up and around. Exhale, gently unwind. And final time, we spiral into that twist and pause. Soften the shoulders, bring your left arm up. Grow a little bit taller as you side bend over to the right. Keep those hips firmly down, rooting down into the cushion beneath them. Then with your next inhale, we'll reach for the sky. Exhale, side bend over. Again, inhale, reaching up. Exhaling, side bend and pause. Inhale, reach for the sky. Exhale, bring the fingertips behind you, completing that twist. And on your next breath, gently unwind back to center, resting the hands on the knees, and just take a deep breath. Beautiful. Bringing your elbows out to the sides a little bit. And begin to circle your body around. Bringing that warming movement all the way down into your lower back and your hips. And let's take that the other direction. And we're going to circle all the way back to center, letting your hips get a little heavier, your heart a little lighter, sweeping the arms all the way out and up. And once more, bring the hands home to your heart. I hope you feel a little bit more ready to begin your day. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.